Folks, have you ever been tired of struggling with software development? Imagine describing your idea in plain English and instantly getting a real iOS or Android application. I am Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today, we're diving into VibeCode, a game-changing platform that transforms simple text prompts into fully functional iOS and Android programs. Whether you're experimenting with new ideas or building your own personal tools, this tool makes the process simple and fun. It's also a great way to explore how AI can help you code. We'll create a complete task manager with modern Apple-style features like glass navigation, animated headers, and contextual menus. It's so simple, even my grandma could do it. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's jump right in. Friends, I am going to show you VibeCode, a revolutionary platform that turns your text prompts into real apps. All you need to do is describe everything in plain English, with no complicated code at all. Open it on your iPhone, and you'll see all your existing projects. Today we'll create a brand new application from scratch. I tap New App, and here we are at the heart of VibeCode, the prompt field. This is where we describe in text what we want to create. Start typing is where you enter your description, but if it's easier, you can just tap the microphone icon on the right and speak. At the bottom there's an Enable Cloud option. It's still in beta for connecting to cloud services, but we won't need that today. Alright guys, let's create a task manager with all the latest features. Once I send it for generation, the activity kicks off. I've just typed in my prompt, and the AI gets to work. It's using Cloud Code, Anthropic's powerful AI model, to turn my words into real code. You can watch the process as a list of assignments the AI executes step by step. It writes files, generates everything needed, and finishes the task. And just like that, our project is completed. We build it, it compiles and loads. And there we go, the software is ready to use. Alright, our project is ready-made. Task Manager has done all the hard work for us. There's an image button where we can either upload images or generate them right in the app. For example, I want to create a minimal icon. I just select it, and it'll be used as the app's logo. I can also pick other types, like a character or a background, or even go for app screen, component, or just other. Basically, folks, there's a lot of flexibility to create whatever you need. Then I hit generate and wait a couple of minutes. And here's the result. It created the icon for me. I add it to the prompt and say add icon. And just like that, it keeps going and implements it directly into our program. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! And here we can see that it did the job successfully. Let's open the platform and take a look. Since our task button is kind of hidden at the top, it's not very convenient. I'll suggest we fix the layout, so all elements stay within the screen's reach and don't overflow like they do now. We can watch it start working, connecting to Cloud Code to generate the updates. It checks and analyzes the current safe area, and we can preview everything in this mode. Then it reworks the task screen.txs file. Let's wait a moment, and there we go. Time to see what's changed. Now, folks, the plus button is clearly visible, which is great, but the keyboard still blocks this area, so I can't see what I'm typing. Let's send a request to fix that. Just like before, it breaks the project into smaller steps, reviews everything, and generates all the updates. Done, let's check it out. Alright, here's the app again. I'll tap the plus button, and the input area moves up along with the keyboard. Now, friends, let's add our very first task. I can set a priority, pick a deadline, and later mark it as complete, or manage it however I need. It's really flexible and easy to use. It only took about 10 minutes to do all of this. We've built a full task manager for ourselves without needing any extra knowledge. We can see this program in our list. Besides producing images, we can also add existing audio or create audio files. We can create haptics, use APIs like GPT or image generation, work with Apple Maps or Open Weather API. We can also connect audio or video services. Finally, we can publish it to the App Store. All you need is your Apple Developer Program account. You can share it with friends or register and publish it officially. Alright friends, that's a wrap. VibeCode isn't just a tool, it's a fast and easy way to create. With this platform, you can generate programs, connect APIs, and even publish directly to the App Store. It's great for anyone who wants to bring their ideas to life or try out new concepts. Building software has never been easier. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.